Wow, there's a lot of shit in the road. A lot of branches. Look at that tree moving up there. Wow. Let's just see what's going on down here. Let's see. I think we all see any trees down. So far we still have power. It's 5:09. See all the crap in the road, all the sticks, and here comes a car. Didn't think there'd be any other idiots on the road besides me. Probably can't see it, but the wind is blowing my car sideways. I have to fight to keep the wheel straight. Lots of shit in the road there. Let's see, is the pizza place is closed. Can't get a pizza. Lots of stuff in the road here, lots of trees, lots of branches and crap in the road. There's the road. Looks like something's down right here. Let's see. Yeah, something's down right there. Look at that. Telephone pole snapped in half. Wow. And that's hanging right in those wires right there. I have a feeling that's only... Look at that branch hanging over the road right there. I have a feeling that's only a little bit of what's to come. You know, usually I don't believe half of what the weather people say when it comes to storms like these, because they love to scare you on the news. But you know, I'm a kind of, I believe it when I see it type of person, but I have a bad feeling about this one. I'm actually headed to the store to pick up a couple of things because, believe it or not, they're open. But just figured I'd grab the camera and see what I could find. Looks like the town still has power. I see lights on in houses. So we do still have power. I'm surprised there's as many cars out as there are. Like I said, I figured I'd be the only idiot on the road. There was a tree down. Some power, guys. Get to work, guys. There was a tree down on that road earlier. I guess they cleaned that up. See what else we can find. Well, here's a knucklehead walking in the rain. I don't know. Maybe that's worse than me driving in the rain. It actually looks like it's starting to clear up. But if you look at the sky there, it looks like it's starting to clear up. But according to the weather people, just the calm before the storm. So we'll head to the grocery store over here. And see what other trouble we can get into.
This is something we walk past all the time.
We pass it all the time. It was this building was created, was built. It was one of the most expensive buildings in New York. One of the apartments went for $100 million. And when you think about the financial...
I went through one side of the boat, and there was a much more mild
There's actually lost such a panic about the hurricane. Stop the bird shifting negativity to positive and pray for peace. Interesting fact, during a hurricane, this is a fact that nobody knows. During a hurricane, it's the only time Lindsay Lohan appears to drive normally.
So I grew up out west when we call that deal with hurricanes and blizzards and sometimes tornadoes to deal with. And Hurricane Isabel, that we did in Washington, D.C., in most states.
These side roads, there's a lot of shit in the road in these side roads. Wow. Oh, there's a big one. Oh, that hurt. I don't know if you can hear all those sticks hitting the bottom of my car as I try to drive around them. Okay, I had to take some side roads here because of the detour the fire department sent me on there. And like I said, lots of little sticks, twigs, branches down in the road. You know what? That fire department activity I saw must have been an accident, because this is the tree that fell. Oh wait, here they come now. I think they're coming. I think. There's just so many branches and trees down in this road. It's amazing. I don't know if you can hear those things hitting the bottom of my car or not, but wow. And this isn't even the real storm yet, apparently. It's only 5:54, and the storm really is supposed to hit in front of a couple of hours. There's a tree down. You know, it's times like this and in big snowstorms that I really miss my Jeep. You can drive through anything, go over anything. Wow. Let's see what's up this road and make my way back home. And maybe take a quick look tomorrow morning and see what things look like after the meat of the storm has gone through and done its damage. It looks like, though, these trees that have fallen, they've gotten to them quickly and cut them right up. The last storm we had a year ago, the last hurricane, wow, there's a lot of shit in the road. The last hurricane we had a year ago, we were without power for 5 days, and it took them forever to clean anything up. So I'm gonna go out on a limb here, no pun intended, and assume that they're ready for this storm. That's why things have been cleaned up so fast. In fact, there's some utility people on the road there, and here is a branch that's fallen off this big tree, come across the road. Here's some debris from it, and they've already cleaned it up. Now the power in our house has been intermittent for the entire day. It'll go off for 2 or 3 seconds and come back on, but we haven't lost it completely that I know of. Whoa! I don't know if you saw that or not, but that was actually something that fell from one of the trees here. Now there are some trees on this road, which is my street, that I know were you know, kind of, they were hanging as it was a few weeks ago. So I'll be right in here. So I'll be surprised if they don't fall at some point from this wind. Wow. A lot of shit in the road, boy. Look at that wind blowing those trees. Wow, well, we're home. We're home. Let's see what this storm brings. Thanks for watching this boring video. Ooh, there goes a tree.
So Kings Point, this is up near LaGuardia Airport on Long Island Sound. These are numbers above normal. So this was at 7:15, so 16 minutes ago. At 12.7 feet above normal, where the water should be. Bridgeport, Connecticut, 9.3 feet. New Haven, 8.6. Then it leveled off a little bit, and now it's rising again. And this is just the storm surge. This is not related to the tide. So the tide is on top of this, and the tide has another foot to go. So this is the reason this is happening. Well, I'll show you why this is happening. There, it's hot. Okay, so let's talk about the numbers here. And here you see the last report from the National Hurricane Center. We're calling this Superstorm Sandy now. Hurricane Sandy is no more. It's been absorbed into this big nor'easter type storm here that we've been talking about, dual character. Now it's a single character of this superstorm, the super nor'easter type storm with 85-mile-an-hour winds.